Now other way around, left to right. Breathe in up, breathe out down, left up, breathe in, down, breathe out. One more time, breathe in up and breathe out. Okay, your shoulders, move your shoulders back, rotate nicely, forward, arms forward, backward. Okay, hands on your shoulder and forward first. Your elbows touching, then bicep touching to the ears, and shoulder blade touching on the back. Okay, go back. Okay, elbows up and down. Rotate elbows in one direction. Change direction. Wrists in one direction. Change direction. Your fingers. Hands on your waist and rotate clockwise. Make a big circle. I'll just check if anybody is in a waiting room or no, just in case. Okay, and then yeah. Rotate in clockwise first and then anti-clockwise. Okay, hands on your knees and keep your feet still, close to each other and clockwise. Anti-clockwise. You will hear the crackling, bone crackling sound. That's all the air between your bones coming out. Now open and close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Now other way around, outside in. Okay, your ankles up, right leg up. Rotate your ankles in one direction, change direction, up, down, sideways, change leg, rotate ankles in one direction, change direction, up, down, sideways. That's it. Shake your body and slowly start jogging. Slowly start jogging. Arms, arm movements, leg movements. Keep breathing in, breathing out through your nose. Keep jogging. High knees. Toes, heels back. Normal jogging. Alternate arms and legs. Right twister. Keep jumping. Pretend forward skipping. Backward. Jumping, normal jumping. Star jump. Slow down. Relax. Shake your legs. Relax your calf muscles. If they're stiff, just lose them up. Relax. We'll do breathing, Swaswayam. So feet together, palms on your side. Deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold. Breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold. Breathe out. Okay, we'll do Satat Yoga. We'll do sideways. So 16 time left, 16 time right, 16 time both, 16 time up, and then combination of all four. We'll keep jumping. Okay. सतत योग प्रकार एक करो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 left right both up left right both up. Check your legs, your calf muscles, loose them up. Your hands together, breathe in, arms up, down, breathe out. One more time, breathe in, arms up, breathe out, down. Okay, we'll do wood chopper breath. Everybody knows. Keep feet shoulder width apart. Pretend like holding axe, and then exhale through your inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth 10 to 12 times at your own. Start. Relax, just hold nicely. You can be standing. I'm just sitting so that you can see me properly. The last breath is Bhastrika, pumping one. So feast on your side 10 to 12 times at your own pace. Start. Only nose. Relax. Okay, now our body is nicely warmed up. We'll do some dynamic stretches before we do the Surya Namaskar. So just relax and stand up. Breathe in, neck up slowly. Neck down, breathe out. Breathe in up. Your body is nicely warmed up, so you'll feel the stretch nicely. Breathe out, down. Back to front, to left. Hold your stretch. To front, then to right. Hold it nicely. Back to front, now to left side, ear to shoulder. Hold. Back to front, to right side, ear to shoulder. Okay, right arm across, stretch nicely. Your shoulder joints, your arm, left arm across, stretch. Okay, right arm up, push from elbow. Try to hold your hands back, stretch, erect your spine. Left arm up, push from elbow. Try to hold from back. Okay, we'll do sideways this 8 times, 4 for both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, spread your legs roughly the length of your feet from waist to the toe, and then right hand touching left ankle, left hand up, and similarly other way around. 8 times, 4 for both. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now stretch onto right side first, nicely. Your calf muscles and hamstring of the right leg. Then slowly sit down on right leg if you can. Hold your big toe. Stretch your left legs, calf muscle and hamstring. Breathe in up. Now to left side first. The left legs, calf, hamstring and calf muscles. Stretch nicely. Then go down. Hold your big toe of the other leg. Stretch, stretch. Breathe in up. Now lift up your right leg close to your tummy, your chest. Stretch, stretch. Sideways. Stretch, stretch. Back. Hold your toe, big toe, knees together. Change. Left leg up. Stretch first towards your chest. Then sideways. Stretch. Then back. Knees together. And then last one. Right leg in front. Left leg back. Bend your back leg. Front leg straight. Hold your big toe. Stretch your calf muscles, hamstrings. And then touch the floor and sweep the floor with your hands. Get a bit further forward. Stretch. Hands on the floor, forehead on your front knee, if you can. Listen up, relax, change. Left leg in front. Hold your big toe of the left leg, back leg bent, front leg straight. Touch the floor, sweep the floor. Get a bit further forward. Touch the floor with your hand, forehead on your front knee. Relax, stretch, 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 and relax. Just relax. So that's about all the stretches, the relaxation. Now we'll do Surya Namaskar. So just get ready. So everybody in Arama, I'll play the music. First 13 we'll do on my count. Next one we'll do one video. Just be ready. So everybody in Arama, Surya Namaskar Sthiti. Join your heels, then your toes and Namaskar. Wrist parallel to the floor and then your thumbs close to your solar plex. I'll be saying the shlok. Just say that in your mind after me. Dheya sada savitru mandala madhyavarti Narayana Sarsija Sanasannivishta Keyuravan Makarakundalavaan Kiriti Hari Hiranmaya Vapuradhuta Shanka Chakraha Om Mitraya Namaha. I'll put the camera down to begin with. So ek, breathe in up, go up, look up. Do, breathe out, down. Hands on your side, knees straight. Left leg back, breathe in, team. Try to look up, lower back, push forward. Right leg back, breathe out. Straight line, no hips up. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Hips up now this time. Breathe in, up, cobra. Get your waist between your arms. Breathe out, go back, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasan. Om Ravaye Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Left leg in front. breathe in, Namaskarasana. Om Suryaya Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, Namaskarasana. Om Bhanave Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Keep straight line. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out. Go back, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasana. Om Khagaya Namaha. Remember the thumb rule. When chest is expanding, breathe in. When chest is contracting, breathe out. Okay. Start. Ek, breathe in up. Do, breathe out down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasana. Om Pushne Namaha. Ek up. Go down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Heels touching the floor. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasana. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Breathe in Urdhvasana. Breathe out Ekapada Prasanasana. Breathe in Ekapada Prasanasana. Breathe out Chaturanga Dandasana. Hold your breath. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Breathe in Bhujangasana. Breathe out Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in Ekapada Prasanasana. Breathe out Uttanasana. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasana. Om Marichaye Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasana. Om Adityaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Down. Left leg back. Front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasana. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Om Savitre Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasana. Om Arkaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Downward dog. left leg in front, breathe in, right leg in front, breathe out, breathe in, back to Namaskarasana, normal breathe in, breathe out. 12th one now. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Breathe in Urdhvasan, breathe out Utthanasan, right leg back, breathe in, breathe out Chaturanga Dandasan, hold your breath, Ashtanga Namaskarasan, breathe in Bhujangasan, breathe out Adho Mukha Svanasana, breathe in Ekapada Prasannasan, breathe out Utthanasan, breathe in Namaskarasan, and normal breathe in, breathe out. 13th one. Om Shri Savitru Surya Narayanaaya Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up, breathe out, go back all the way. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in. Namaskarasana. Now just hold, relax. I'll stop this music. We did 13, so just relax. Now for the rest of the thing, I'll play the video. I'll keep the sound low so that you can hear me as well. So basically now this time, remember, you can do it slow, fast, whichever speed you want to do. If it's hurting, just stop. Okay, you can do slow as well. No need to rush. Listen to your body and do as much as your body is allowing you to do. If it's hurting, just do slowly, relax. Just do as much as your body is letting you do. I'll be saying the count or breathe in once the video starts. Okay, so I'll share the video first. So you can see my video. This is the 13th one. When it's finished, we will just start. So get into position. I'll do in front so that I can see, and then I can say the count as well properly. Okay, get into position. I will start the video. So come into position, Namaskarasana. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in, go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe out. Then inhale, go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Now, relax. Go, breathe in up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale, go up. Exhale. Left leg back. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg in front. Exhale. Inhale. Breathe in, go up. दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Exhale. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. This 24th one. Breathe in up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. We'll take break on 30th one. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Left leg. Right leg. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg. Breathe out. Breathe in. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. One more breathe in, breathe out. Start. Go up. Go. In. Out. 5. 7. 8. 9. 10. This is 30th one. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Breathe out. And stop. Just relax. Relax for 10-15 seconds. I'll just quickly come. Just relax. Kush, iPad, give me iPad later on. Up. Okay. I'm sure you must be coping up with the speed. Just do it slowly, gently, nicely. Yeah, we'll now move on. Okay, so I'll play the video and we'll start. So get ready. It will start now immediately. I'll also be getting ready and then wait. Okay, start. Start. Take up, go, left leg back, right leg back, hold, breathe in, breathe out, left leg in front, right leg in front, and breathe out. Start. Go, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, nice. Breathe out. Start. 8, go, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, yes. Breathe out. Go. 8, go, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, yes. Breathing up, breathe out, left leg, breathe out, hold, breathing up, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathing up, breathe out, right leg, left leg, hold, breathe in, breathe out, right leg, left leg, breathing up, breathing up, go, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, yes. Breathing out, hold, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, yes. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, yes. Breathing up. 8, go, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, yes. Breathing up. Go, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, yes. Breathing up. Go, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, down, 5, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in, go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Breathe out. Breathe in up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Breathe in up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Go. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Go. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Breathe out. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Down. Just let that hold. Breathe out. Front. Breathe out. Breathe in up. 4, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. This is 54th one, halfway through. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. We'll break at 60 now. Breathe in up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Breathe in up. 8, 4, 5 7 8 9 10. Breathe up, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, hold. Yeah. Downward dog. Left leg, right leg, up. Breathe out. Go. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's get one last one for the break. So 3 4 5 7 8 9. Okay, we'll just break for maybe 1 minute. If you want to drink water, anything, just drink. Hope you are keeping up with the speed. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Get some air, open window if you want. Relax. So okay. We are how much? More, yeah, we more than halfway ahead. Hopefully, by 9:10 we'll be able to finish. Okay, get ready now for next. We'll start now. We'll stop now. Maybe 84th now. We'll see. So be ready. I'll just play and then we'll
Ajay,
continue.
the volume of the music is slightly louder. If you can just reduce that little bit, we can hear you also.
Yeah, okay. I reduced it a bit now. Let's see. Is it okay? Okay. I'll start again, but okay. Yeah. Get ready now. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Left leg, breathe in. Right leg, breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg front. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in up. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in, go up. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in, go up. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Breathing go up. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in up. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in go up. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe in, go up. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Go up. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, सात, आठ, 9, 10। एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 7, 8, 9, 10। एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10। Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 34th one now will be, and then we'll break. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Break. Hope you're okay. Just drink a water or just sip of water if you can. We'll now break on 101 and then 108. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Make sure when you do the Surya Namaskar, you breathe in and breathe out. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. When hold, just hold. That will give you more energy. And now your bodies become more flexible. You can easily go into position. Hopefully, nothing, no part of the body is hurting. So, try to stretch in one position once you go in there quickly. Okay. Try to gain more benefit now. Your body is completely relaxed now, completely stretched. Let's see, last 10-15 minutes, last 24. Get ready. And then I'll start. Okay. Ready, steady, go. Breathe out. Take, breathe in. Oh, breathe out. In, breathe in. Yeah, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. एक, दो, तीन, चार, 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, hold, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, hold, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, hold, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, hold, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. 101. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, hold, Well done to all. 101 now. 8 more, and then we are through for today with the Surya Namaskar Marathon. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Those who are not doing and they want to just join, they can just start again for the last 8 one. And today we are going to do Yin Yoga. YIN is like more stretching and relaxing your muscles, because we already did lots of exercise. So we'll try to do Yin Yoga. It's just recovering, restoring back all energy, but at the same time relaxing, stretching your muscles, so not it won't be strenuous. Okay, hopefully next 5 minutes or maybe less, and we'll be done with 8. Get ready. Try to do deep breathe in, breathe out when you go into each pose. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, hold, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Go. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, hold, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, hold, breathe in, breathe out. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 108. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax now. We are done. I'll just check here. Just relax. Just breathe in, breathe out. You can drink some water. Just relax. Well done to everybody. Most of you did 108, so that's good. Now the next one will be sitting down, so you can adjust your camera, for sitting down. This is like yin yoga, yin. It means, we just try to relax our body. I'll just tell you what it is actually. Yin yoga is a slow paced style yoga as exercise. Okay. And basically we try to stay in a posture and hold for longer period of time than in any other style. For beginners asanas, we can, hold for 30 seconds. But for advanced, they hold, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Simple pose where you are just slowly working out on your muscles. So just relax. We'll do slowly. The light down just for the effect. Okay, we'll just start with child pose. So everybody come in Vajrasan, kneeling position. Just see, the aim is not to stretch yourself. Just relax, restore, gain back all the energy. So go down, forehead, face touching the floor, hands maybe in front or inside, and just breathe in, breathe out. We'll stay here for 30 seconds. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, up, come up. Now next one is we'll do the butterfly. So take your legs in front. No need to stretch. Okay, just head down if you can. If you want, you can keep a pillow or something. Get it bit like no need to be close. Just nice space, and then just bend forward. You can put your head on your hand. Maybe just relax. Stay here for 30 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Now just slowly come up and then get your hand back. Left leg, left leg. So basically, try to get this position. Your hands, palms facing in front, and then just relax. Basically, your right, whichever side is outer side, you're relaxing the hamstring muscle there, and glute as well. So relax. You can just relax nicely. So only one, it's working on only one muscle of the leg. Other leg is okay, normal. Relax. Normal breathe in, without gain back all the energy that we use for 108 Surya Namaskar. Now slowly just come in, get your legs slowly up and do other side, whichever side you're doing. Change leg and then again stretch. Again, it will only work onto the leg which is outside on that hamstring. Stay here for longer time, 30 seconds at least. Stay there. Okay, slowly come up. Just like get your legs in front. Now this time We'll make 90-degree between your leg. So like half swastik, if you can. So 90-degree here, 90-degree there, half swastik, and just elbows down if you can. You no stretch, relax. Just try to be ease out, look in front, not down, and just relax. So basically, the muscles on which you're bending forward, there it's working out. Also on the back leg, also it's working out slowly. Stay there for again 30 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly get your body up. Do not flick your body, just slowly. Now change. Which your leg was in front, get it back. Again, half swastik. Make sure. And then hands down, elbows and wrists down. Look in front. So again, the front leg, lower thigh, hamstring part, back leg, hip openings. It's working out slowly on your muscles. Just keep doing it. Slowly come up, come up. Now we'll lie down completely on the floor. Now this time, any leg get into the other side. Left leg maybe onto right side. Hold onto just above your knee or near your thigh. Okay, and one left hand up and stretch slowly. Just gentle, slow. If you see, it's working on different part of your muscles, mainly more into hip openings. Stretch nicely, slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold it. Hold your leg with other hand. Gentle, slow. Now slowly get your leg back into front on the floor. Now right leg on side or the other leg, whichever leg you were doing. I'll adjust. And then right hand up basically, and one hand onto your knee. You will feel nice stretch onto your hip openings, your hip muscles. Relax, relax. You can, when you're practicing, you can stay in all these pose for longer time, 2 minutes. Just relax when you're practicing. Today we'll do just 30 minutes, 30 seconds or so. Then slowly release it, release it, release. Now we'll do banana. Come onto one side of the mat if you are on mat, for the position basically. So you're straight onto one side of the mat. Get your hands up, namaste. Now get your hand onto the other side of the mat and the legs also onto other side of the mat. So you are making nice curve. Put your hands down from the back, your shoulders on the floor. Okay, nice curve, side curve onto left side. If you are on left side of the mat, if you are on right side of the mat, then it will be right side curve. Stay here for 30 seconds. So if you're on the left side of the mat, get your right hand and massage your ribs. all the left ribs which are stretched slowly. So massage them. Get your hands back. You can massage as well if you want. Just stay here for longer time. Or if you want, you can keep left leg onto right if you are onto left side. If you're on right side, then take right leg onto left. Just on your shin. Now slowly come back, normal, normal. Now come onto other side of the mat or so that you have space. Now I'm coming on right side of the mat. Again, left leg onto left side, right leg on top of the left hand and right hand onto the left side of the mat. Put hand once it's there, then put your hands, shoulder blades on the floor, but keep your palms together if you can. Stretch. This is called banana. Both side we did now. So we are keeping our body like banana. After halfway through, take your left hand or alternate hand and just gently massage your ribs. Just gently massage. Hands back again. Relax your shoulder blade on the floor. Right leg on the other leg. Relax. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Okay, now slowly come back to middle of the mat. Last one in this yin yoga is Ananda Balasan, happy child pose. So lift up your feet, your knees up towards your chest. Hold your soul if you can easily. If you can't, then hold your calf muscles, hamstring, whichever wherever you reach. Ideally is your soul. It shouldn't be outside. It's from inside. So your hands is between your legs, and then pull it down. Your big toes inside of your eyes. Your thigh parallel to the floor. Okay, and then just keep smiling. Nice smile. Relax, and then slowly, gently, just stretch your muscles. Keep smiling. This is happy child pose, so you should be smiling while in this position. It shouldn't give you any stretch or anything. Just relax. Keep smiling. You'll see it's working on nicely onto your hamstring, just upper part of the hamstring, just near the hips, and also your knees, back of the knees. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Slowly relax, relax. Keep your feet down. Just lie down slowly, gently. We'll just do quick relaxation technique. Just we won't do the deep and other one, just quick. So we'll do shavasana for 1 minute. So your legs are away from each other. Your toes fallen onto different sides, palms facing up, head fallen onto one side. Just keep breathing in, breathing out. You're just relaxing our entire body. Keep relaxing. Breathe in, breathe out. When you're breathing, breathe out, just inflate your tummy and deflate like balloon. We are relaxing, that's why we are not using our lungs. Just relax. We'll chant Omkar, O and Ma, all three syllables. When you are chanting them, experience how the vibrations get generated in your body. Will be the lower part of the body. U will give vibration to your chest, your tummy, your heart area, and Ma will give vibration into your head. Feel that, experience that. So deep breathe in. time. Last time, breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Get your right hand up, close to your right ear. Left hand onto your heart, onto your chest. Bend onto right side, just turn onto right side and come into recovery position. Your left heel close to your hip. Take some breaths, breathe on or breathe in, breathe out for 10 seconds. Get all the energy back. Now with the support of your hand, lift your body up slowly. Do not flick, कोई झटका नहीं. Just slowly and then sit into Sukhasana. And just spotlight. Sit into Sukhasana. We'll just do some breaths. We won't do the detail in-depth pranayam. We'll just do basic 3 ones. So deep breathe in, breathe out for 5 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay. Keep your eyes closed, hands on your knees, and then we'll do pranav for 30 seconds. So breathe in for 5 seconds, breathe out for 5 seconds. Start. Okay, next one we'll do Kapalbhati. So deep breathe in to begin with, and then exhale continuously, roughly for 30 to 40 seconds with your nose, 1 per second. Start. Only thing moving is your tummy, no part of the body should be moving. When you're done, normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one is Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breaths, Nadi Shuddhi. Make a Vayu Mudra with right thumb, close your right nostril, breathe in from left. With middle finger, close your left, open your right nostril, breathe out from right. Breathe in from right, close your right, open left, breathe out. This is one cycle, we'll do 2 more cycle at our own pace. So start. When you're done exhaling on left, just relax, normal breathing, breathe out. Last one is Brahmari, the humming sound, the buzzing sound. So we have to close our ears, our eyes and mouth. Then breathe in from your nose and breathe out. While breathing out, you have to say Om, but your mouth is closed, lips are, tongue is straight, fixed. So we end up doing the humming sound. We'll do 3 times. Experience the vibrations that get generated inside your head. Breathe in. Mm. Breathe in. Mm. Last time. Mm. Take out your hands. Keep on your knees. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. I'll be saying the Vishwa Pratana, the prayer for all. You can say that in your mind after me. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कच्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. I'll say the in English prayer for all. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hand, brush your palms, make them warm nicely. Keep brushing, make them warm, nice warm. When they are warm enough, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Transfer all the energy onto your face. Brighten up your face. Massage your eyes gently with your fingers. Then your forehead, massage your forehead with your fingers. Then side of the forehead, just above your ear. Then back of the neck. And open your eyes slowly. And namaste. Dhanyavad. Thanks a lot. I'll stop recording.